In this video, you'll learn how to disable syncing on Gmail when you're using it on a desktop computer. This is especially useful if you're on a shared or public device, or if you simply don't want your Gmail account to stay connected after you're done. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly, and we'll talk about what each action actually does so you understand exactly what's happening. First, start by opening Gmail in your browser. You can do this by typing the Gmail address into the address bar, or by using a bookmark if you have one saved. Make sure you're actually logged into the Gmail account you want to stop syncing. If you see your inbox, your emails, and your usual folders like inbox, sent, and drafts, then you're in the right place. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Gmail page. You should see a small circular icon there, which is your profile icon. This might show your initial, a custom picture, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you click it, a small panel will open showing the Google account that's currently signed in and possibly other accounts if you've added more than one. In that panel, look for the option that says sign out or sign out of all accounts, depending on your setup. Click sign out. This is the key step for disabling syncing for that Gmail account in this browser. When you sign out, Gmail disconnects your account from the current browser session. That means new emails won't continue to sync in the background under your login, and anyone who opens Gmail on this browser won't immediately see your inbox. After clicking sign out, you'll usually be taken back to a Google sign in page or sometimes to the main Google homepage. At this point, your Gmail account is no longer signed in, but there's one more simple step to make sure syncing fully stops on this desktop. Close the browser completely. That means don't just close the Gmail tab, actually close the entire browser window or application. On most computers, you can do this by clicking the X in the corner of the window or by using your system's close command. Closing the browser clears the current session and helps ensure that Gmail isn't running in another tab or window that you might have forgotten about. Once the browser is closed, your Gmail account won't keep syncing on that desktop. If someone opens the browser again and goes to Gmail, they'll see the sign-in page and will need to enter an email and password to get access. If you later want to use Gmail again on this computer, you can simply reopen the browser, go to Gmail, and sign back in. Just remember to repeat these same steps. When you're finished, click your profile icon, sign out, and close the browser. That's all there is to it. By signing out of your Gmail account and closing your browser when you're done, you effectively stop syncing on Gmail desktop and keep your email more private and secure, especially on shared devices.